Hello traders and finance enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common misconception about the most ancient form of wealth, gold. Specifically, XAUUSD, many new traders often confuse gold with traditional currencies. They think, is gold owned by a single country, like the US dollar is by the USA? The answer might surprise you. Unlike national currencies such as the US dollar, euro, or yen, gold is not the property of any single nation. It's a universal asset that's been a store of value for thousands of years, long before modern countries even existed. XAUUSD simply represents the spot price of 1 troy ounce of gold against the US dollar. It's a global benchmark, and its price is influenced by global supply and demand, geopolitical events, and investor sentiment from every corner of the world. So, next time you look at XAUUSD, remember, you're trading a truly global asset that belongs to the entire world. Happy trading!